Hi, today we will to show you how you can easily delete your message in Facebook Messenger with multiple delete options. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. Here the simple way we share with you for delete your message on Facebook without wasting your time. Just follow a few steps here. Before go, now you see here is conversation chat from 2010, and it's very difficult to delete message one by one and it will take time. This history got more than 500 conversation at all. If you see here, the delete Facebook Messenger history, you need to delete one by clicking manually. And it doesn't have multiple delete option. And this will take time to delete one by one message in our Facebook Messenger. Now what you to do next step, open your Google Chrome and go to search box and search for Google extension. After that, click the first one for Google extension link and it will drive you to Google extension page. Now at left search box, you can search for delete all messenger for Facebook in at Google extension page search box. You can choose the first one, extension, in and click add to Chrome and wait until it's done installation at your Chrome. After done installation, you can look the right side, the notification about extension will appear. And then click at the icon and it will drive you directly to your Facebook Messenger in your Facebook account. Here is your Facebook Messenger, and to do multiple delete you need click again to extension icon you have done install on your Chrome. Click the clear message icon, and the extension will analyzing your message inbox in Facebook account, before you can delete it. And now you will see two options on here. It will show, delete all messages, or choose and delete. Let we try, choose and delete option first. Here a small box will appear at the edge of each private message in your Facebook Messenger. This will help you to select and choose which one private message you want delete. Here I try to select delete all for this action, and then you need to go back to click the icon on top browser if you want more multiple box in private message shown. After you're done, select your message you want delete, find the green button on top Messenger and click delete selected messages. Now, all your message you select will delete, just wait until deleting progress finish. Now, selected message was deleted from Facebook Messenger. Now, let we try delete all message option. Using this option, all your message will delete more easier, but you need to repeat this step to make sure all message delete from Messenger. Make sure you click shown older to make sure it's completely showing all message. And now repeat it until it's done. Delete all old message in Facebook Messenger. Here is all, step-by-step how to delete your message in Facebook Messenger. Thanks you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.